Welcome to Sweet Talk SLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist. And for today's video, we're doing a review on an SLP product. But before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, also like this video, and share with your friends. Let's get started. Before we get started, a small disclaimer. My AC is currently on and it'll be on and off throughout this video. It seems that every time I sit down to record videos, we are under an excessive heat advisory. It is currently about 106 degrees outside and it feels like 113 or 114 degrees. And so the AC is going to stay on throughout this review. Now, for today's review video, we are going to be talking about the Blast Off board. This is by Talkit Rocket. It can be purchased on talkitrocket.com. You can see the board here. It has two sides. It has a picture scene, and you can see that there are holes so that you can put your finger in to pop out the magnet on the other side. Oops, and so now you see this hole here. So I popped off the cow that was on the other side here. That can be placed back on this color, or it can also be placed on top of the cow in front. So we are going to be talking about this product and my review on it. I purchased my board in May during Better Hearing and Speech Month. They ran a 10% off sale. So this had been on my wish list and I went ahead and did the purchase in May for this board. So I have been using it for quite a few weeks with quite a few of my kids. I also purchased an expansion pack to go with it, but I'm only reviewing this original starter kit. So we'll talk about this in great detail as we go through my review. As a reminder, my reviews include 5 parameters. They are storage, price, child response, functionality, and overall. Let's get started with storage. I'm going to give this product a 5 out of 5. It's the size of a regular board puzzle, so it's not very big. I keep this in mesh zipper bag, my favorite, along with, I believe, their original push-pull puzzle, which is the same type of concept in that you push through the little dots so that the magnets pop off. This is run down, I don't know, it's probably at least 10 years old. So I keep these in here together, so quite easy to store. These store very nicely in my trunk organizer in my car, and I could see that you could probably stack these up, you know, on a bookshelf or on top of each other. So storage, easy 5 out of 5. Let's talk about price. The price of this product retails for $34.99. They also charge for shipping. And from what I can tell, if you purchase this product on its own, it would have a flat shipping rate of $8. So you'll end up spending $42.99 plus whatever taxes. So about $45 for this board without any discounts. I feel like they rarely put discounts for their products. And even when they do, 10% off is not a big discount. I feel like to make things a fair discount, it should be at least 20%, but that's just me. So for the price of this Blast Off board, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. Now, it is made by an SLP and it works really well and the pictures are nice. It is better quality than the original one, but as you can see, it is starting to scuff with, I don't know, just wear and tear already, and I've had it for a couple of months. So it's expensive, I feel like, but if it continues to last in better shape than my other one, I'll be happy to re-review this in a future video and give it a better standing for the price. But as it currently stands, after a couple of months of use, I have to say it's a 3 out of 5. It's expensive. It's expensive. I do like that you can add other things to it and change it around, but it's still like this original, it's a pricey board. So very nice board. Definitely buy it on sale if you can, even though it's 10% off. 10% is 10%. Child response. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Most of my kids thoroughly enjoy this. They enjoy poking through the holes and, you know, letting these magnets fall. Now, one of the main features of this board is to help with pointing, which I do appreciate and I really do like. But for some of my kids that just do not have the hang of pointing, it takes so much effort for them to try. And it's not a fine motor thing. It's just that They don't like pointing. So for that, I'm going to knock off that 1 point. But otherwise, most of my kids really love it. They love the pictures that come with it. They love that it can stick on. I've had kids throw the magnets. That was not, let's try that again. I've had kids throw the magnet to see if it catches on the board, which makes it a nice little fun game. So I do put the magnets on this side or on the other side, and kids really seem to enjoy that. So for that reason, I definitely give it a 4 out of 5. Functionality. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. Now, although some of my kids don't enjoy sticking their little fingers through these holes, I think overall the function of this product is a really good function. I do appreciate that it helps with that pointing dexterity and trying to get that, motion going for kids so that they're able to identify things for some kids so they can use a communication device. So I do like that feature. I also like that it's a magnet, and it's, a thin magnet. It can stick to the front, it can stick to the back. It's colorful. These pictures seem to be pretty functional. I don't always use the words that are here, like dirty, although dirty is a good word to use for some of my apraxia kids. Sometimes I just use boy, but still, you make it your own anytime you want to. I sometimes make sounds, like for the wheel and the bus, I might just do beep beep, or seeing wheels on the bus. Cow, make a cow sound. Monkey, make a monkey sound. So for that reason, for all of those reasons, the labeling aspect of it, identification, requesting for help if a kid can't poke it through, matching, answering WH questions. So for all of those reasons, I give it a 5 out of 5. Overall, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I really like this product. I wish it was a little bit cheaper. I feel like, I generally don't like to spend more than, $15 or $20. So if this was $25 to $30 without a shipping cost, I think it would be better. If you find this at a convention and you don't have to worry about shipping costs, that's definitely the way to go. I had to purchase it online. I bought it with another set, so shipping wise, it was a better deal for me. But I feel like if you're only buying one product, which I feel like if you are, just go with one for now. I haven't even used the other set. It's like set 1 of the Blast Off Board Companion. I haven't really used it yet because I've just been really trying to get a handle on this so that I can review it for you. I love these holes because you poke on them, but it's hard to see some of these pictures, right? How it's hard to see that it's a house. For me, visually, I can't imagine for the kids. So I almost wish the dots were almost adjacent. But then I often put these pictures in the front to help out. I think that kind of helps. So I'll either have them poke them from this side, or if it's too hard to poke it from that side, I might have them poke them from this side because I feel like it works out a little bit easier, or match the picture to the front, versus the color. So there's these like little baby things that are not my favorite about the board, but overall, I really love this board. I feel like it's a way better update compared to the board that I used to have. And so for all of those reasons, I do enjoy it. I do give it a 4 out of 5. I do recommend it. I feel like if you work in early intervention, you have some kids that have difficulties with pointing, this would really be a great fun toy to have and use in speech therapy or to use at home with your child. So it is, like I said, made by a speech language pathologist, and so it is geared for speech and language therapists, but I feel like parents could use this at home as well. And if you so desire, then buying some of the other sets that go along with it. And maybe one day I will review the set that I did purchase, but for now, like I said, I've just been using this one, mostly because I haven't figured out how I want to store the other one. I don't like how it's stored. So once I figure that out, I may add it into this bag and then kind of keep them together, but maybe keep everything in its own I don't know yet. I don't know. So I'll figure that out and I'll keep you guys posted. But really cute puzzle, really good for speech therapy. I definitely recommend it. 4 out of 5. It's a good review. I like it. So I will link it down below. I am not an affiliate with, Talk It Rocket. I do not make any commissions from that link. It'll just get you to their website in case you're interested in purchasing this product. That's all I have for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, ring that notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly uploads. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.